In today's video, I'm going to teach you the full 2025 guide on how to join a Calendly meeting. Whether you're the invitee or the host, these steps will ensure you never miss a beat. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to check your email. This might seem obvious, but it's an important place to start. If you've been invited to a meeting through Calendly, you should have received an email notification. Often, this will include essential information about the meeting details, like who's invited, the time and date, and crucially, how to join the meeting. It's always good practice to keep an eye out for these emails if you're expecting an invite. Now, once you have that email open, you need to find the join link. This link is what will connect you directly with the meeting. Look within the email for a calendar invite. It might be attached as an actual file. You might also see a join meeting link, which is especially common if the meeting is hosted on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. This link is your direct line to entering the virtual room, so make sure to spot it. Next up, you'll be clicking the join link. A simple click on that link should launch the application or web page you need to access the meeting. Sometimes you might be prompted to open the link in a specific app, especially if you're using a mobile device. So be ready for that. It's best to test this out a few minutes before the meeting is due to start to iron out any connectivity issues or software updates that might interrupt your session. If you're the host, you'll be taking a slightly different route at this point. You'll need to head over to your Calendly dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your scheduled meetings and should be your go-to location for handling anything related to your calendar bookings. Once you're logged into Calendly, look on the left-hand side of your screen. That's where you'll find the Meetings tab nestled along with other options. Clicking on Meetings will present you with a list of all the appointments you've got lined up. You'll want to find the specific meeting you're hosting or wish to join. This might mean quickly skimming through the list to spot the right date and time or the name of the invitee. If there are multiple meetings scheduled, keeping your meetings labeled clearly can help avoid any confusion here. Finally, when you locate the designated meeting, you'll find a Join Now button. Clicking this button will get you straight into the meeting, ready and in position. Make sure your internet connection is steady and everything is set on your end before you join. And there you have it. You're officially ready to engage in your Calendly meeting, fully prepared and confident. By following these steps carefully, joining a Calendly meeting is smooth and efficient. Happy meeting, and thanks for watching.